Hi boys and girls, we've been working with expanded form and doing 2-digit addition with 10 frames. Now we're going to move on to one of my favorites, 2-digit addition using expanded form. You'll notice that these charts I have on the board right now match this lovely chart I have here. This is the chart I've made. I'm going to make it even cleaner for you to use in your whiteboards in the future. So here we go. We start with, let's say, 43 plus 28. Now, to do 2-digit addition with expanded form, we stack these numbers. So 43 goes into the first box, and right below it, 28 goes in the second box. And from there, we do our expanded form for each number. So 43 becomes 40 and 3. 28 becomes 20 and 8. Now we have our tens stacked up and our ones stacked up. We add them. So we have 4 tens and 2 tens. 4 plus 2 is 6. So we have 6 tens, and we know 6 tens is 60. We go to the ones column. 3 plus 8. I like to reverse them and go 8 plus 3. 8 and 2 more is 10, 1 more. So 8 plus 3 is 11. Now, some of you might already see the answer and say, well, 60 plus 10 more is 70, plus 1 is 71, and you'd be correct. But if it helps you, you can even expand this one out even more. The 11 becomes 10 and 1. Now it makes it really easy to add it together. 60, 71. Expanded form, super easy once you know the pattern and once you get lots of practice to do this addition program, and you'll do this in your head this way. It's amazing. What if the numbers got more difficult though? They got larger, they got greater. Let's say we had 87 plus 47. Significantly greater numbers. So we follow the exact same pattern. No matter how great the numbers are, how big the numbers are, we stack them first. Just like up here, we stacked 43 and 28. So we stack 87 and 47. So let's stack 87 and 47. We do our best to line up the tens and the ones. Very important. When you stack numbers, you always do that. So now let's expand the 87. 87 becomes 80 and 7, or 80 plus 7. 47, we expand it, becomes 40 plus 7. Now our ones are lined up and our tens are lined up. Let's add them up. We have 8 tens and we have 4 tens. 8 plus 4 I know is 12. So that means we have 12 tens, which is the same as 120. One of the tricks I like to use when I add tens is to look how many zeros are in a 10. Well, there's 1 0. When I put the 1 0 there, I just add the tens. 8 plus 4 is 12. So 12 tens is 120. 7 plus 7. I love this one. It's one of our doubles. We know our doubles. 7 plus 7 is 14. Now, some of you might already see the answer, but let's expand it some more. We could expand 120 to be 100. I'll get my hand away as fast as I can. 100 plus 20. And we could expand 14 to be 10 and 4. So now we just add the entire row. We have 100, 120, 130, 134. And that, boys and girls, is how we solve for expanded form. And if you want to, you could even take the number 71, put her up there, 134, put her up there to solve for your entire thing. Thanks, boys and girls.